So, question 6, and this question was in the running for a medal, but it didn't quite make it. However, we've awarded it a lemon, because really this question's testing out log laws, and but it's been done under the guise of transformations of functions, and transformations of functions really isn't a big part of this course. The first one is obviously in the syllabus, that we're asked about translations of the graph of logs. But the two parts that follow really aren't. Anyway, let's have a look. So we're given f of x is the natural log of x, and the function g of x is the transformation of this a vertical translation by a, we're told that. And then we're asked to express g of x, which is log of 4x, in terms of a vertical translation of x, i.e. write it out in the form g of x is f of x plus a. So really all they're asking us to do is split this term up into log of 4 plus log of x, and then say it's a translation of log 4 units upwards, stating the number of units that f is translated. I'm guessing they wanted direction here, but anyway, maybe not. So that was the first 2 marks. Then when we move on to part B, this time we have got h of x is c, f of x is a vertical dilation by a scale factor of c. Now, we've now got a h of x is equal to log of root x in terms of a vertical dilation. So the first thing we have to do is recognize that root x can be written as log of x to the half, and then we can use our log laws to bring the half out the front, and therefore say that it's a vertical dilation of scale factor 1/2, which is the c there. So basically it is just log laws, and these dilations are definitely not in the syllabus in parts B and C. So in the last part here, p of x is now a horizontal dilation of f by a scale factor of 1 over b, and this time p of x is log x plus 4. So we've got to be able to write 4 as the natural log of e to the 4, then use the addition law so that we get log of e to the 4 times x, and therefore remember that it's a horizontal dilation of scale factor 1 over e to the 4, or e to the negative 4. So I'm guessing that's the extra mark on this question, the 3 marks rather than the 2 up here. The transformation was a little bit harder, plus it's very likely a lot of students who got this far will have forgotten that it's a negative 4 there. Anyway, a pretty horrible question and well deserving of our first lemon of the exam.